wherever you're going to lay the 3M paint, you want to clean it really good. Use this bone right up here, straight across the lower one in the center and in the top on this side. Same thing here, repeat it, opposite. Up here.
So what are you doing now?
Putting promoter adhesive on it.
Adhesion promoter?
Yeah. Only on the spot that the 3M is going to apply. So I'm going to set it aside here, and I usually take my guy off this piece here. I put it against there, and I push right back into the rubber, and I line it up there, then I drop it right in place. That way I can push it down here in the meantime, and I will grab me a rag, then press down on it.